Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Ya Allah, Ya Rasulullah salam. Allah, you have guided me to say La ilaha illallah. Please do not let me go astray, oh Lord. La ilaha illallah. Guide my family, make us worship you till the end of time. La ilaha illallah. Muhammad, the complete human being. I love Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah. Ya Safiyullah, Ya Karimullah, Ya Habibullah, Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah. Ya Rasulullah, Ya Rasulullah, Ya Rasulullah, kusmi Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad al-Fatih al-Mah wal khatim al-Mah sabaqana zura al-haqq bil-haqq wa la hadi illa siratal mustaqim wa ala